Welcome back to Vlogmas. It's actually the same night, so it's Sunday night. Antonio's watching the football game. They're always watching football. Football's always on in this house and I don't know why. Huh? It's a double header, whatever that means. Okay, so I'm going to make some supper for the kids. We're gonna do mac and cheese because I haven't went grocery shopping yet, and that's easy to do. So let's make some mac and cheese for the children. Let's go do laundry while the water boils. Hey, come with me, people. Come with me if you want to live.
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey. Yeah. The snowman's dusting off his hat, putting on the show for everybody, to give them a smile that lasts another year. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December ends, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Ooh, yeah. There's room at the table for big and for small. All the fire is popping, the chestnuts are cracking, yeah. Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby. The snow is laying 2 feet deep. Now wish upon a falling star, so all your secret dreams can come true. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December ends, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Ooh, yeah. There's room at the table for big and for small. All the fire is popping, the chestnuts are cracking, yeah. Merry Christmas, baby. There's something that happens when something that happens when December ends, when December ends, yeah, yeah. Oh, it's Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby. It's Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby.
Okay, so I am going to start editing the vlog from today, like earlier today. I'm gonna start editing that and get that uploaded. It's 6:30 right now. I was gonna do it earlier, but the kids wanted to eat and the cats had to eat and I had to get stuff cleaned up, so it's gonna be a little later. But yeah, I'm gonna get that done, and then I'm also going to edit this vlog up to this point, so then whatever I film tomorrow I can just add to it, and then it will cut the editing process in half. That's what I'm thinking. Not sure if I'm gonna do anything else tonight, depends on what happens. I'm gonna get to editing the video.
It's all around us. Christmas has found us. Yet another year. We are the fortunate ones. All us
Welcome back, you guys, to Vlogmas. It is currently 7 o'clock. It is 12 o'clock. Chris is going to be here soon. We're going to take Bella to her vet appointment. I need to throw some makeup on before we go. And then I also want to change over the laundry. So we're going to change over the laundry, clean up a little bit, and then throw a little bit of makeup on before Chris gets here.
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey. Yeah. The snowman's dusting off his hat, putting on the show for everybody, to give them a smile that lasts another year. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December ends, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby. The snow is laying 2 feet deep. Now wish upon a falling star, so all your secret dreams can come true. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December ends, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Ooh, yeah. There's room at the table for big and for small. All the fire is popping, the chestnuts are cracking, yeah. Merry Christmas, baby. There's something that happens when something's that happens when December ends, when December ends, yeah, yeah. Oh, it's Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby. It's Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby.
We're off to the vet. Hi, baby girl. Okay, so Bella is in the back right now. They are doing an ultrasound or an x-ray. An x-ray?
X-ray, because you get more information.
They're doing an x-ray because they get more information from that. So, yeah. We will see what the doctor says and what the x-ray determines. Okay, so Chris is getting us some food. We got out of the vet. They said that she's having 5 babies. I will insert a picture up here of them, you guys. There's 5 of them. I was assuming 2 to 3, but no more than 4, and Chris thought 5, and he was right. So they saw 5 spines, 5 little heads. So far they said that everything looks great. They all look healthy. They did say that they think that she's gonna have her babies sooner than later. So we were kind of expecting on December 29th. He thinks that she could go into labor at any moment right now. So we were going off 65 days from when they tied, but he said that it's more like 60 to 63 days. So with that being said, I think we're gonna have puppies before Christmas. It'll be very interesting to see if there's gonna be puppies or not. But yeah, he said that she's very healthy, she's fine, he doesn't see any problems that we're going to have. And kind of going over just all of the stuff, like if she does have any problems, like this is what we need to do, kind of talking about the equipment and all of that, what we should have on hand. So yeah, we just went over all of that stuff. Like I said, Chris is getting us some food right now, so we're gonna eat that and then we're gonna head home. I did go to TJ Maxx and I picked up a bunch of stuff for the dogs and the cats for Christmas. I will show you that tomorrow. But yeah, I'm going to end this vlog here. I was going to do a giveaway, but I think what I'm going to do is just do the giveaway on Christmas. Or, you know, you never know. One of these vlogs, there might be 2 giveaways in it. You never know what will happen. So, yeah.